Have you been praying and praying and praying in a situation and it seemed like it hasn't changed? And you've been asking God, God, where are you? Well, hold on, because God hears you. He hears your prayers. He hears you. A lot of times, a lot of people don't understand trials and tribulation comes to make us stronger. A lot of bad things happen to push our faith in having faith in God, to trust God even more. Trials and tribulation only come to make us stronger, and sometimes bad things happen to push us into believing in God. So keep praying and keep the faith in God. Keep it.